In the past, transactions and analytics were handled separately. In reality, however, business processes are usually a sequence of transactions that include varying degrees of analysis. You simply cannot separate these two, the transactional and the analytics. One usually leads to the other. Some examples include when you enter an order, which is transactional, and immediately check the customer's churn probability, which is analytics, to adjust the discount percentage, which is now back to transactional. So this is just an example which illustrates that we cannot separate transactional and analytics. An example of bidirectional embedded analytics is a transaction. In a transaction, might look like a transaction where you create a new sales order and then you analyze the stock in various warehouses for the availability and closeness, and then you move on to evaluate the value of the customer based on the previous orders and enter a discount into the order based on the um, result of the previous step. And also you search for cross-sell or upsell opportunities using predictive analysis and include in the order as suggestions. And then you complete the transaction. So in this example transaction, you see there is no separation between transactional and analytics. It might be helpful to categorize the tools of embedded analytics as either display tools or tools to create and manipulate. So let's define these two real quick. So tools for display are typically assigned to business user who needs to perform analysis but does not have the skills or desire to develop models or reports from scratch. Tools to create and manipulate, on the other side, are typically assigned to the analytics specialists who need to develop and configure models, views, reports, and other artifacts used in analysis. Of course, you can assign any individual to any type of a user. So, what is the goal of this masterclass or this course? Number one, we want to work with SAP S4HANA embedded analytics applications, tools, and data models. So this course will equip us sufficiently to be able to work with those tools, applications, and data models. Number two, we want to explain and get detailed information on how to use analytical applications and tools for different user types. For example, business users, analytics specialists, IT specialists, and also we want to use this masterclass or this course to describe how SAP S4HANA embedded analytics can be integrated with other SAP BI tools, SAP BW, and SAP BW for HANA. And lastly, we want to explore the predefined analytics content and the best practices. So, to benefit fully from this course, hit subscribe and enjoy the course.